life, some part of disease, patient hides, but then laughingly shows that part, tells that part of life, हाइडिंग एंड नेकड वो चलते रहते हैं। उनका जो है उसकी हिस्ट्री जब बताता है, बताने में हिस्ट्री टेलिंग वो मतलब हाइडिंग एंड जिहड़ा हैगा उसका नेकड वांट्स टू। सिमिलरली डिलूजन पुअर, ही इज पुअर नॉट मीन्स फाइनेंशियली, पुअर हेल्थ वाइज एंड डिलूजन वेल्थ ऑफ बोथ वे के पुअर इन जे डॉक्टर साहब कुछ कमी है मेरे में पर और ठीक हूं मैं, जे पार्ट आप ठीक कर दीजिए। एंड अगेन से लाफिंगली स्माइलिंगली, डिलूजन पुअर और मेरे पास और मैं ठीक हूँ, बहुत है ठीक हूँ, बहुत हेल्दी हूँ, जे थोड़ी सी कमी है, जे पिंपल्स हैं, जे स्कार हैं और साइड बाई साइड डिलूजन पुअर, डिलूजन वेल्थ ऑफ चलता है, अनरिलायबल प्रोमिसेस, नेकड वांट्स टू, सुपरस्टिशियस, ऑब्जेक्टिव रीजनेबल। एक आ जाता है कैलकुलेटिंग इनएबिलिटी फॉर, ही और शी कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट रिगार्डिंग एज हाउ मच डॉक्टर साहब 45, 50, डॉक्टर साहब 50, 60 like that. Similarly, from how much time you are suffering, he or she cannot tell properly, calculating inability. फेनिक सिक, अटेंशन सीकिंग, ये बेलाडोना का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगेन इट इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इन young girls and ladies that they often feign to gain attention. That is why belladonna covers our most patients, because most ladies come to the physicians, male members mostly about, as earlier I said, 15-20%। अपनी जो बीमारी है उसको बता चढ़ा के पेश करना। हस्बैंड एंटर कर रहे हैं गेट से घर में, उस समय बता चढ़ा के अपनी बीमारी को पेश करना, जैसे कहते हैं कि लिमेंटिंग शुरू कर देना, टू सीक अटेंशन। फेनिक सिक, अटेंशन सीकिंग एडेड बाई डॉक्टर M.L. सहगल, बेलाडोना। वही बस थोड़ा सा डॉक्टर साहब थोड़ा आके डिटेल च नहीं, लाइट डिजायर फॉर, मेरे से बात कर लें, मेरे से कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको, बस इतना चाहिए मेरे को, बहुता डिटेल्ड बहुता हैवी नहीं चाहिए। लाइट डिजायर फॉर, सेंसिटिव टू लाइट, पॉम्पोस इंपॉर्टेंट। एक पार्ट इसका रह जाता है, डेथ डिजायर्स एंग्विश फ्रॉम सिंगुलर बेलाडोना, एंग्विश बीपिंग विद ओनली बेलाडोना। इन सम केसेस वी गेट दिस set of rubrics. Death desires anguish from mental and physical suffering is so much, patient says better I die. Death desires anguish weeping with, and starts weeping while telling due to mental and physical sufferings. These both rubrics come together in 2-3 lines. So till today we are getting so much good results with belladonna, and we prescribe in all cases, we start all cases from 30 potency, as in ASRH group I repeatedly write it. And then after belladonna, if it acted or it not acted, or when it starts acting, we go to the, especially I go to the 6 potency. as Dr. H.L. Chitkara in 1994 shown us original register of Dr. M.L. Sehgal photocopies that Dr. Hahnemann always prescribed go to the descending potency. Similarly, like my guru, Dr. G.S. Hare, a renowned psychiatrist at Ganganagar, Rajasthan, prescriber of homeopathy in all mental cases, mental diseases. And when I was student at Abohor in 1977-8, that Dr. G.S. Hare always having 0/1 to 0/6 50 millisimal potency and prescriber of 50 millisimal potency, and having in library original literature of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, our founder of homeopathy. He was so learned person. He loved so much homeopathy. Even I was students, homeopathy students. We gained so much from Dr. G.S. Hare. Now he left this world in old age, and I learned from him. He wrote in British Homeopathic Journal articles very much needed scientific explanation of homeopathy. At that time he wrote articles, we still not bothering, no need of vital force and miasms in homeopathy. These are associated laws. In scientific era, it is most needed to rewrite organon. Dr. Hahnemann was not a religious person, he was a world level scientist. I read Otto Leger book from at the place of Dr. G.S. Hare. Otto Leger writes in Critique of Homeopathy. Dr. Hahnemann in his short span of life wrote 6 editions of organon. Had he lived, he might have written 600 editions of organon. But we are still depending on that book and saying on stage, it is the Bible of homeopathy. That is why scientists laugh at us. Simile similibus currenter, potentization, individualization are basic principles of homeopathy. But vital force, miasm, these are associated laws. But no one still bothering, and we should definitely make homeopathy scientific. It is my humble appeal to our dear colleagues. So this is a first lesson, first explanation of today of Dr. M.L. Sehgal theory and about belladonna, and we continue our journey further, that how easily within 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes we reach the simillimum. In 80% cases, 15-20 medicines cover the 80% cases. In 20% cases, we go deep, we repertorize definitely, but our founder members of Association for Scientific Research in Homeopathy still depending on these 20 about medicines and having and getting results in 80% cases at least. So we in still I have in private practice, as I took premature retirement in 2004 and started my practice at Sangrur district headquarters. and having 50, 70, 80, sometimes even touches the OPD 100. I am always a quick prescriber. Maybe the center of my nature is a light desire for a patient is of communicative, expensive nature. I feel very much difficulty to continue to listen. So my dear colleagues, we will move further. My colleagues who are in this group will add more about cycle theory, about belladonna. You also, many practitioners doing wonders on cycle technique. You will also definitely add your comments in the group. Thanks.